We'll be talking about how to fill your humidifier pot with and without ventilation. It comes down to how much independent breathing time your member has and their preference. If they have lots of independent breathing time, simply refill it when the member is not using the ventilator. They might only be using it at night, or they might be off the ventilator for a few hours during the day. If they are currently using it and okay with missing a few breaths, then let them know when you're ready to refill. Disconnect the air hose. If you disconnect from the ventilator side, it might be easier to fill without the air blowing at you. Grab a funnel and carefully pour the distilled water into the humidifier pot. Reattach the hose. If they have no independent breathing time, you have a few options. Option 1, switch to a different ventilator, such as the wheelchair ventilator. When they're settled, go refill the bedside humidifier. Option 2, bypass the humidifier. Connect the circuit directly to the bedside ventilator. Now you can take your time refilling. When you're done, reconnect the humidifier. Option 3, you will need another person to help. Disconnect from the ventilator and manually ventilate with the bagger. Someone else goes to refill the humidifier.